What's going on, everyone? Joe back with Gorilla Joe's Barbecue, and today we're doing some dino ribs. It has been a full year since I've cooked these bad boys, and I figured there was no better cook to do for my 1-year anniversary of YouTube than another set of dino ribs. I picked these bad boys up from Costco. We're gonna give them the worst trim you've ever seen in your life, just trying to get all this fat off the top side and all the silver skin off. And then we're gonna do a real simple seasoning job, the old salt, pepper, and some Lowry's. Guys, I did these on the Weber Smokey Mountain and they turned out fantastic. These things were juicy, these things were tender, these things were amazing. So we're gonna fly through this trim real quick and then we're gonna get outside to the Weber Smokey Mountain. Alright guys, we got the smoker up and running at around 225 degrees. Of course, I'm using my good charcoal company. I got a little pecan in there, a little cherry in there. Cherry for color, pecan for taste. I'm gonna try out using the double racks in here. I have my water pan in here full of water, and you can see this is up a little bit taller than normal. I built this fire pit the other weekend. I'm gonna be using this for some future videos, but it works perfectly to hold the smoker. So let's get that meat on there. Got our beautiful dino ribs. Drop one in, and number two. All right, we're gonna let this get up to about 160, 170. We'll be checking it, making sure the bark gets set before we wrap these, and we'll wrap them in butcher paper and get them back on here. But as you guys can see, we're rocking the new Gorilla Joe's Barbecue merch, link in the description. We'll come back out and check on this in a little bit. All right, guys, these are temping at about 165 on the top one, and they're looking fantastic. So I'm gonna pull these off, get them wrapped with some beef tallow. We'll throw them back on, open those vents up, kick the heat up, see if we can't get them done a little faster. Let's take a look at them. It is so nice out. We're just gonna be doing this outside. Look at those beautiful beef ribs. I got some beef tallow from a local store. It's kind of like a farmer's market, but all the time people can come in and drop their goods. So I'm just gonna put some beef tallow on top of this thing. I've actually never used beef tallow when wrapping. I've actually been cooking with this stuff. Just like that, we're wrapped up, ready to be on the smoker. All right, we got these back in here. You can see it's kind of a tight fit with it wrapped, but we got it in there. We'll smash her down. I got my temp probe back in there, and then I'm just gonna open these grates up all the way, and we'll see what kind of temperature we can get up to. Now we're looking for, around 203, but we'll really be poking it with the meat thermometer at the end to see what kind of tenderness we got. Didn't explode this time. All right, guys, these are done. Got them on the big cutting board. This one's been resting for about an hour. This one kind of just came off, but the sun's setting, so we gotta get this filmed. We're gonna pull these open and see how they turned out. Look at that juice. Oh my gosh. Look at those. These bones are trying to slide right out. They're juicy. That one's still really hot. Whew. This one's already losing a bone too. Guys, look at that bark. Look at that juice. Man. I already know these bones are gonna come right out. But you know how it is? Oh, that one's already come out. So we're gonna put it back there for pictures. You just stay right there. We're gonna take some pictures and cut into these. So pulled one bone out. We're gonna get this cut. Let's see how that Weber Smokey Mountain did. Oh, guys. Look at that beauty. My gosh. That is amazing. I mean, it's just fallen off the bone, ready to be eaten. I'm gonna take that back membrane off just like that. And we got a perfect bite right there. Let's get that camera up. All right, guys, it's time to try it. This is one of my favorite things to cook. Like I said, this is just perfect bite. Let's get a bite of that. Oh, that is so good. It's just brisket on a bone. I mean, look at that smoke ring. Beautiful smoke ring from that Weber Smokey Mountain. Super tender. Mmm. That is so delicious. I mean, it's hard to beat a bite like that. Come on. Come on now. I already know though. It's gonna be perfect. Look at that. Look at that. So good. And this one, I think we gotta do it. Oh yeah. Fantastic. Man. This Weber Smokey Mountain 14.5 inch may be small, but it puts on some great smoke, and you can fit 2 whole dino ribs on there. So at Costco, they come in packs of 2. I've just did 1 on top, 1 on bottom. And man, great smoke ring. These turned out so good, so juicy, great bark. We did the salt, pepper, and Lowry's on this. That's all you need. Mmm. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
Ready? Ready, Whiskey? Alright. Go! Go! No, you each have your own. You guys are failing. Tango's the only one. No, Whiskey, you're off the path! Whiskey, you're off the path! It's like an Easter egg hunt. You guys are doing it wrong.
Tango did it mostly right.
You're right. You guys missed this one completely.
Who's gonna get it? That's the tiebreaker.
Right here. There's one more.
Hey, doggies!
Whiskey Tango. Oh, is Tango gonna get it?
Get it, buddy!
Tango got it.